Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to create the classic bacon hair avatar in Roblox. First, open the Roblox platform and navigate to the avatar editor. You will want to start with a clean slate, so remove any existing hair, clothing, or accessories from your current avatar. Then, select the man package as your base character. This provides the foundational body shape for our iconic look. Next, let's get to the most recognizable part, the hair. In the hair section, find and select the pal hair option. This is the famous bacon hairstyle. After that, adjust your avatar's skin tone. The traditional bacon hair look features a light white skin color. Double-check that no other hair or face accessories are currently equipped, keeping the look clean and classic. Now, let's dress your avatar in the essential bacon hair attire. Head over to the clothing section. For the shirt, you'll need to equip the blue and black motorcycle shirt. Then, for the pants, select the dark green jeans. These specific clothing items are typically free and are crucial for achieving the complete, recognizable bacon hair aesthetic that many players love. You're almost done. Take a moment to review your avatar in the editor. Make sure you have the pal hair, the light white skin, the blue and black motorcycle shirt, and the dark green jeans. Once everything looks perfect, save your new bacon hair avatar customization. Now you can enjoy your classic and instantly recognizable Roblox style, ready to explore any experience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.